In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a document on Windows 11. To get started, make sure your scanner or all-in-one printer is properly connected to your Windows 11 computer. This can be done with a USB cable, over Wi-Fi, or through an Ethernet connection. Once it's connected, turn on the scanner and give Windows a moment to detect it. If your device isn't recognized right away, it usually helps to confirm that the connection is secure and that the scanner is powered on. Next, open the Start menu and search for Windows Scan. When you see the app, open it. If it's not already installed on your computer, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. This app gives you a simple, built-in way to scan documents without needing extra software from the scanner manufacturer. Once the app is open, click the Scanner drop-down menu and choose your connected scanner or printer from the list. After that, place your document on the scanner. If you're using the flatbed glass, open the lid and place the document face down, aligning it with the guide marks in the corner. If your scanner has an automatic document feeder, you can insert the pages into the feeder tray instead, which is especially helpful for multi-page documents. Now choose the file type you want to save. Your options include PDF, JPG, PNG, TIFF, and bitmap. If you're scanning a regular document, especially one with multiple pages, PDF is usually the best choice because it keeps everything together in a format that's easy to share and view. After that, select the color mode. You can choose color, grayscale, or black and white. For most text documents, grayscale is a great middle ground because it keeps the file clear while also helping reduce file size. Then set the resolution, also called DPI. A lower setting like 150 DPI works for basic scans, 300 DPI is the standard choice for most documents, and 600 DPI is better when you need higher detail. In most cases, 300 DPI is the safest option. Before scanning, click Preview so you can check how the document will look. Pay attention to the cropping, alignment, image quality, and whether any edges are being cut off. If needed, adjust the scan area by dragging the crop handles to remove extra borders and focus only on the document itself. When everything looks right, click Scan. Windows will process the document and create the scanned file. After that, choose where you want to save it, rename the file if you want, and click Save. Finally, open the saved file and review it carefully. Make sure it's readable, complete, properly oriented, and that the image quality looks good. And that's how to scan a document on Windows 11.